So hello guys, I am here. So I am a student of NIFL. So my sir give me a task that I have to make a vlog in any of the park where I went. So I have come to Fulbagh vlog. Now I will make vlogs. So here I got two little puppies. Oh, there is one dog and there is one dog. Okay, they both are fighting. They both are fighting, so we should not disturb them. We should move there. Okay, let's move there. So here is one lake type, and beside me, and auntie taking a child who is going. So here are many swings and like that only. Many plants, beautiful plants. You can see many plants, beautiful plants. Like I like nature also, like many beautiful nature and all like that only. Big trees, and there's the the beauty of just the nature is so good. So I have came here. Yes, the main reason is for to shoot the vlog, and I don't know what is this, but this is so good that it is like, I think so, handmade. This is so good. This is a what I call, I forgot that it is called. I think so, deer it is called. Okay, then Gandhi ji is also here. Like we have to say namaskar to Gandhi ji, as he has supported us many in the and helped us in British rule. So we should salute him. And there are many more swings. Let's go there. Here children are here children. There are swings and children are playing there. Many children are playing there, just like you can see behind me. Many children are there and they are playing. Yes, they are playing. So let's go, and we will also play there. Let's go and swing one swing. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so I will, and yay. Okay, so I'm confused at which slide should I choose. This one, or that one. I'm confused. I think I should choose this because it is round and round and round. Then the second time I will choose that one because it is also round. Okay, let's go. Wow! It was really very fun. Okay, so now we will go on the second slide. We can go from here only. Okay. So now it is time to do second slide. This slide. This one. Okay. Here, get set, go! It is really too much fun, and there is no one till now. There is one kid beside. He is very there, and there is one lady sitting there. Like she is sitting there. Okay, she is sitting there. Okay. See guys, there is a bridge. Okay, let's go on that. It's going to be very fun of that. Let's go there. What a bridge! Wow. Oh, many. I can many people are like sitting in the park and relaxing and sleeping in the park. So it is the, I think so. Uh, I don't know where I have come. So I think it is the entry or exit of the gate of the park. So I shouldn't go back from here. And here are many trees and trees. Like, okay, so many children are like many children are running here and there for the swing that I have already swung. So let's go forward. Let's go, guys. Okay, so behind me there is a chair bench, so I should sit there because I'm very tired by sitting there, and beside me a lady is sitting there. So let's talk to her. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
So why are you sitting there?
Yeah, I came with my daughter, so that's why I'm sitting here. My daughter is making the food.
Yes, I am her daughter. So let's go forward. Okay. So yes. Oh my God, this is the main park. The grass and the trees and the trees. Okay, the behind me, an uncle is sleeping and talking with someone. I don't know. Wow. Oh wait, can you see that uh, that the house of birds the government had made? I don't know who made, but they are so good for the birds, that or the squirrels and all the birds that the government. And yes, the dog also came here. Like it there is so it is very large tree. Okay, so yes, let's go in the grass and let's sit for some time. Oh wow, there's a squirrel. Should I show you? See, there is a squirrel. There is a squirrel. I don't know. I should go. She is eating something. Um, wow. Okay. The squirrel ran away. Okay, so let's. I should go over there because dogs are fighting here, and they can bite me, and because they are in angry mood. So yes, there's a big park. Oops. Okay, and yeah, the kids are enjoying the swing, and yes, I want also to sing this. So I will do this one more time. Okay. Okay, so I will do that one more time. Let's go, guys. We let's go, guys. Yeah, it was so fun, and yes, it was so fun. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Meet you in the next vlog. Bye, guys, and good evening once again.